The Nigerian Police Force has held a 2025 Christmas Carol service, bringing together officers, dignitaries and faith leaders in the solemn celebration theme Prince of Peace. Victoria Ayorinde reports.
The service featured melodious renditions of Christmas songs and hymns by the mass choir of the Nigerian Police Force, creating an atmosphere of worship and reflection. Scripture readings were also taken by invited dignitaries, reminding the gathering of the true essence of Christmas and the call to love and service to humanity.
In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God.
We shall call his name Emmanuel, which is translated God with us.
There was no room for them in the inn.
A special prayer section for the nation was anchored by the lead pastor of the new season prophetic prayers and declarations, Pastor Jerry Eze. Prayers were offered for peace, security, unity, and divine guidance for Nigeria and its leaders.
Seed of banditry, Father, oh God, every root of terrorism, wherever it is coming, whosoever is funding it, we decree, let it be broken by fire.
In his charge to the gathering, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor Enoch Adeboye, urged officers and Nigerians at large to embody the spirit of peace, integrity, and selfless service, stressing that the message of Christmas should reflect in daily conduct and commitment to national unity.
How powerful you are when you are dealing with the enemy. It's not even really killing the enemy, you know. It's paralyzing them, so they can be around to watch you enjoy. Because if you ask all your enemies to die, who will be around to watch your glory? And I pray for somebody here today. All those who say you will reach your goal, after you are there, they come and bow down before you.
The 2025 Nigerian Police Force Christmas Carol provided a platform for spiritual renewal and collective prayers for the country, reinforcing the force's resolve to uphold peace and security while promoting unity and goodwill among Nigerians. From Abuja, Victoria Ayorinde, reporting for Kaftan TV.